Guys, welcome back to a new video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone that I've been wanting for a while, actually. Like two of them actually in this lot. And I've looked forever to get one, and then I just haven't really wanted to spend the money, and then I found these ones for $30. So I said we'll go ahead and see what we get. Throw that over to the side. These are pretty well packed for what they are. Two Blackberry styles. It looks like some random phone. Oh, that's what I forgot. I realized this one was coming in the lot as well. I don't know about these from the same people. So here we go. We got two Blackberry styles on Sprint. They're both probably dead. This one seems to be in a little bit better shape. They both got batteries. This one's refurbished. The actual model number is the Blackberry 9670. Let's see if we got any SD cards. SD card in this one. No SD card in this one. So let's see what we got in this one real quick. Can't get that back in. Got an 8 GB micro SD card on this one. So like I said, I'm going to get these charged up and see if we can get these to work, and then we'll take a look at this other one. So I don't think I have any Blackberry batteries that are going to have charge. We'll put the nice cover on this one, because I probably end up selling this one back online, as I only wanted one. So, put the cover back on. Yep, there's those two, and then we have this, which, like I said, I totally forgot I even ordered through the same person. Samsung Galaxy S2. SPH D710, so it looks to be a Sprint device, has a Duracell replacement battery in it. So let's go see if it's got any power. OLED panel looks good. Okay, there we go. It's on Boost Mobile, actually. So I've never seen the gray color one before. I know they had a black one. Looks to be fully unlocked. Not really worried about a Google account because I can bypass that. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video, and stay tuned for the next one.